Avoid these top 5 mistakes if you want to rapidly grow your recruiting business. So the common mistakes that I see people making on LinkedIn first have to do with just their LinkedIn profile. There's a lot of recruiting agency owners and people on recruiting agency teams that still have their profile built out like they are a candidate in the marketplace. Your LinkedIn profile should be a place where you drive traffic that showcases your ability to help and serve your ideal clientele. So I want you to stop thinking about it as a resume and start thinking about it as a sales page, for lack of a better way of putting it, and really, position yourself as being an ideal choice for your target market. So the common mistake is just keeping a very generic LinkedIn profile where your headline reads executive recruiter, wasted real estate. The next mistake is people are growing their network, but they're not actually having conversations with their network. And this kind of comes into the place where the reason is because they don't know how to. And what they've experienced oftentimes is just people connecting and pitching them all day long. LinkedIn is not a place to sell and pitch, but LinkedIn is a place that you should be engaging with your network every single day. And you should have good strategies that start dialogue and add value to your network. And you'll see how you can actually light up and create meaningful conversations consistently by making sure that you're tapping into your network. The next challenge that I see is people just aren't engaging enough with their audience online. Some of the lowest hanging fruit out there is to go out and share with your audience and comment on their stuff. So if you have prospects, whether they're clients or candidates, and they're creating content, take the time to go leave thoughtful comments on their stuff, and you're going to put yourself right on their radar. Now, the next thing is people aren't creating enough of their own content. They're just sharing their open jobs. If you're just sharing your open jobs, just understand that you're just checking the box of LinkedIn. You're not fully maximizing the potential of LinkedIn. And so I would really encourage you to create authority and thought leadership content. And the last mistake that I see people make on LinkedIn is when they go to the complete other side and they just automate the hell out of their network and spam the heck out of people. It worked 6 years ago. I'm not saying you shouldn't use automation, but if all your approach is spray and pray, you're killing your brand, you're killing your reputation, and you're just costing yourself a lot more. You might win along the way, but how many bridges did you burn down? So those are your 5 common mistakes for you to avoid. And this is Donnie. We'll see you in the next video.